Have you ever wanted to be a VTuber? With the easy access of different hairstyles, clothes, accessories, make your model do trendy TikTok or K-pop dances, all with the touch of a button? Now I have seen similar apps like this, but not so expansive. They have been something that's stuck on my phone, which I don't really like to use for my streaming. Some I need to use a VR headset. Some, if I really wanted to be customizable, I'd have to make a VTuber model myself. And listen, I learned Live 2D to make this model. Just a tad tired of learning another program. I just want an easy application that lets me change up my style and get started right away. Today, we are exploring Mascoz, the South Korean-based VTuber app that lets you go from a free and a premium experience. And although they did reach out for me to review their product, they also wanted me to be as brutally honest as possible. I will be giving my critiques. If you see things that you would like to see in there, it's time to talk about it. Before finalizing my conversation with Mascoz, I went and tried out the app as a user that wanted to only use it for free, because I think it's important to really understand what can you get from a free option versus a premium option. Right away, just by signing up, I got a 7-day free trial of the subscription. And then after completing the tutorial, I got 100,000 coins. I get stuff? I get money or something? What is that? These coins are actually called Cause, and you can get them through using the app. And the jewels are the ones you get by paying. But even still, as we are designing our first free VTuber, we will be using only free items, so no cause, no subscription, no jewels. I want this to be a VTuber that I would use during stream. As you begin to explore, you will see a multitude of samples. The eyes really change everything. Some are sharper, some are softer. You can be a boy or girl. Really great that they gave you multiple closets and 3 different model spots. Look at that. I mean, I work with 2D, so it's just really cool to see like the shading, like that back. As an artist, this can be a really cool reference for your character, especially when you try different clothing and see the different shadows. Seeing that a lot of the hair is straight, I think curly hair would be a great addition, and a variety of them. Oh wow, they let me change a lot. So for every aspect of the face for both men and women, there are these sliders to transform them into a different person. Though I think that for the women, it could be pushed further to make her look even older. Yeah, the space in the forehead. So this is more mature. This is more of a babier face. Oh my gosh, the color wheel's perfect. One thing I would really like from the developers is if I could have a Control Z. Oh, lip corner. So if you want to start frowning more, they don't. Oh, a cat. Wow, you can see his eye peeking out. Oh, you can also decide if you want your eyes to show or not. Well, oh, wait. Stance length. Oh wait, that's awesome! That one's part of the subscription. Frick! You're gonna need a pretty penny to be able to get nice, beautiful, luscious, voluminous hair. And ain't that just the way? They give you a lot of eye range without the subscription. You can make them tinier! Overall, even the pupils, I think, give you a lot of options in the free. I don't get to use like this star. There is still a star in the eye. There's still a sparkle. Sparkle, you can change the position of here. You can change the size of it so it can be tiny or big. You can change what shape it is or the face stickers. I do think that we should be able to add more than one. So like on my character, I have a beauty mark on my cheek, and then I have this sparkles. So if I could like stack them, that would be awesome. Now let's move into the closet. Okay, this and this are my favorite. Oh, I have a Mascoz shirt. Developer at Mascoz. Let a man wear a skirt. We want a kilt. We want a skirt. We want a maid outfit. We're never too broke for some cute ears. If you want to be a hybrid, guess what? Why is there nothing in the back? Can't have a little tail? Oh, sorry. I can have a little tail. This is my guy character with no subscription, with no money, and I think he's beautiful. Oh, I didn't save him! Make sure to hit this big save button over here. Now let's make a completely free female model. Oh, I like the difference in the eyes here. They have different face shapes already. Oh my gosh, you make her very like chibi looking if you go all the way at once. Show nose and ears. Oh, she looks more blobby. Oh, this is a nice free one. You can see the split thigh here. And you don't need to have eyelashes. If you want them all off, let's remove them. So this is something I noticed with the guy. Even though you can't choose these like preset makeup, you can still manipulate the colors, so it's still like you're wearing makeup too. Eyeshadow, all subscriptions. This is how they look like. Oh, that's really cute. Shading here. So if you want to make her look like kind of sleepy or tired, you definitely can. If you had a character that's maybe more like of the undead or something. Here are the shorts. They give us mostly skirts. I would really love a long skirt option and a free pants option. Oh my god. Oh, I love that one. You can take the shoes off. Now I'm copying the shirt hex code so I can put it on the shirt hex code and make it like a dress. All business. Wait, no, I like these ears for her. I could make her a hybrid, make her a bunny. She's a fox bunny. Ever watch Zootopia? So what if she's Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps' child? So with all free items, I did add a new outfit. So we have this girl, my main girl, this one with a more casual outfit, and this one where we're changing up a lot more. Taking a look at all of the customization options, it is a very expansive program that is not even done being customized. Something that is in the works is body types. So you will be able to customize chest and thigh and hip sizes. Here is an exclusive look, though it is still subject to change. I do think that they can go further with this by adding weight to different places. Also, when I got into the shop, there were some things that I was like, oh, I really want this, and it's there. So like they have like a wavy hair option. Oh my gosh, blew me away with that. They have the maid outfit. Look at him. Look at those shoes. And something I find really cool is that you can expand your closet not only by spending money, but also by earning cause for free. So this is how like the currency and subscription works. One is the free currency. You can earn more coins through daily quests, event rewards. Some are as simple as saving a new outfit. Then there are jewels. Those are paid currencies, which you purchase with real money and you can purchase for jewel items. And then there's the subscription, which is a really great tool to try out so many different items and combos. And maybe if you want to get off subscription, you can buy out those items. You know what you like already. It also gives you lively bouncy effects, customized lighting settings, which we will explore soon in the studio section. Oh, that's a good lighting. Frick. And you can receive 300 jewels every month. If you really like an item, you can go ahead and purchase it and keep it forever. No matter whether you buy with cause or jewels, those items are yours. Now that you have an idea of the premium models, let's head into the shop. What is a premium experience? Why does he look so beautiful? I don't get a maid's dress? I get a butler? What if I want to be a maid too? I do rock with this though. Oh my god, no! I love this outfit. Can you tell why? Some of the sets come all together. They are not mix and match possible, but they did say they were going to update this. Some of them is possible. Like this one. This one's all together. Even the shoes. See here? The shoes are part of it. This one too. The hair is separated, but the rest of the clothes is all together. They do have a lot of really beautiful hair options. That is everything. I love those eyes. I need those eyes. They have sparkling eyes. A clock? I like the current eyes I have, but if I were to buy one of these, I would be satisfied. Like the leaves here, they did a fantastic job. I also like that there's like additional sparkles. What about the pupils? Oh, they have even more pupils. Ooh, that one's super nice. Oh my gosh, if you wanted to be like an ice queen. Hearts? Oh, that's adorable. I love the design. I wanted horns on the deer ears really badly. I like the variety, and guys, they have long hair. They have longer hair, guys. I should have checked the shop. I sent them an email already telling them, can you have longer hair options for guys? They had it covered, bro. I don't always see like customizations like this for guys. The premium experience. This is what it could be. Oh my god. Beautiful. Some of these are so worth it. I love the transparency. I'd love to see more clothes with that like transparency look. The hair in the premium option has a lot more depth because of the amount of colors you can change. And while you're shopping, you don't see these, but they definitely exist. I do kind of recommend still having these toggles while shopping, just so people know how far they can like really make it look, because sometimes maybe they don't want the default hair. Another reason I recommend the slider is because when I positioned my sticker, I positioned it way to the left. And when I was in the shop, it kept that in mind and kept putting every new sticker all the way to the left. What happened? I think that the positioning's wrong. The sliders weren't there for me to adjust it, so for a while I was confused why the stickers weren't centered. So having the sliders there will prevent that. I would love to make a character that's like a demon with these eyes. Genuinely, the pupils change so much. Oh, this one makes me look like the Cheshire Cat. Cat Butler. Oh, I love that. Little cat cafe girl. Maybe a mocha outfit. This is incredible. You can actually move the position of the glasses. Ta-da! Wait, she kind of looks like she has antennas. Now for the final test, I will be taking my free model and giving her a completely different look. She was sunshine and now she is dark and gloomy. I wanted this girl to have a very sleepy look to her, for her eyes to look shallow, almost like she was a ghost. The hardest part was picking the clothes. So now you can see the same model in a multitude of different ways. So we have one that's similar, but we upgraded the hair. Let's go from this to a completely different style. Now let's make her unrecognizable and like the undead. What a difference it can make, making my VTuber frown all the time instead of being smiley. Different vibe completely. The premium assets really are premium. I venture it is hard to not want to buy something. Like I feel like the sparkly eyes, the hair, at least one makeup item. I used a combination of both Cause and Jewels to purchase these items. I've spent money on booth items, Live 2D items. From my past experience with these items, the quality here is just great. I definitely think these assets are worth it, especially when I can make so many different VTubers. I mean, the hair alone changes the character so much. But now that we're done with the shop, you can also get some studio items there that are premium. I want to look into the free ones. This is where you can record videos, take photos, play with different camera angles. You can toggle pre-made animated expressions, and some of the more exaggerated ones are under subscription. I have a gigantic mouth. Try puffing your cheeks out more. More common ones are free. It would be nice to be able to favorite these. Oh, tears! Maybe I need YouTube thumbnail. I have a gallery. There are free ones. There's a lot of free ones. Dancing with VR gear is definitely more of a challenge than pressing a button. I know the appeal is different, but it's really nice you get to do this without any of that expensive gear. I'd love if one day we could have like full body tracking with this, especially if you could do it just with your phone. I need to see this guy be a Saja boy. Yeah, bro. Now you don't even have to dance. Nice. Cheat. Why not? That is for free. We happy? Exactly. Thank you, developers. I appreciate y'all. Oh, ow. Heck? I dodged that one. Wait, that's really cool for stream. Did that one put stars in my eyes? What about this one? Oh, made darkness show up. What about this one? It made my hair wet. Guys, there is hotkeys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, hotkeys for your outfits, for your expressions, and for your motion. Fan-freaking-tastic. Oh no. Ow. It comes with a noise. I didn't notice that before. Ow. So you can definitely integrate this with your stream. Kind of think that there's only 10 slots here, and I don't think there's a way to add more. That is a bit rough. Literally, one of my models has like 50 slots. Like, it is insane how many hotkeys I use. This one's free? This is my concert, bro. Stop dancing. We got things to do. You're acting very unprofessional. They have built-in assets like just chatting, snap a picture. Now you got a free schedule to post on your social. Plenty of lighting effects and 2 free ones. Warm natural. Warm natural's great. Wow, the difference is crazy. There is one section completely locked behind subscription, and that is the visual effects items. Everything you saw in lighting is kind of taken a step further. You can really customize it to be your own. You can even distort the lens or add a glow or a shadow. You want access to all those extra features, you will need to subscribe. For tracking, we have face tracking, hand tracking. This is with Leap Motion or webcam. It's in beta. You can also connect it with your MetaQuest VTube Studio Cam. I don't have hand tracking, so I can't display it. For face tracking, we have iOS, webcam, and Android. You will have to download the Unity Face Capture app from the App Store, connect your phone and Mascoz PC to the same network. Let's check out the tracking. Oh, it's so beautiful. Even the accessories have their little jiggles. You'll be able to add multiple streaming channels. And if you don't see the one that you use, just click on other. Download Spout 2. So fantastic at not overwhelming your computer. At the very bottom, click the plus sign, then click on Spout 2 Capture. I'm naming it Mascoz. You can use first available sender, but because I have VTube Studio as well, I'm clicking on Mascoz. I'm going to choose Alpha Legacy. I guess fast is fine. I actually have the UI up right now, but as you can see in the capture, it's not there. Spout 2 lets you only capture your VTuber without seeing all that UI that you saw before. Wasn't it overwhelming and crowded? Yeah. You don't have to worry about that. That's why I recommend Spout 2. But let's say you don't want any background, you want it to be transparent. We'll go to background and click on this checkered board. That's the transparent background color. Spout 2 will automatically recognize it as transparent. Now for my final thoughts on this application. The navigation is great. You click on any item on the right and it brings you right to it. The tracking is fantastic. Wow, look at the hair physics. In some models, there's limitations on how far left or right you can go, like with 2D. I can almost twist my head backwards. If I want to recalibrate, it's also super easy. All I need to do is hit space. See? Any VTuber that you make, whether it is a free model or one with jeweled assets, is one that you can commercialize. That is huge because these assets are gorgeous. Everything about it is so well done. I don't have to set up anything. I mean, besides the designing part, which is like the most fun part. In this application, everything works fine, and I get motion, and I get backgrounds, and I get lighting, and I can go on. And the best part is, everything that you saw right now is not the end of it. We are going to get more seasonal items, more ways to customize, and you get to choose the kind of experience you want. If you want a only free option, you can do that with the option of still buying some in-app items through using Mascoz. If you're someone that wants to subscribe and get a fuller closet and more customization options before you choose to buy something, you're also getting 300 jewels in addition to every month that you're subscribed. Though I would say that the best option if you do want to buy something more expensive is to just buy the jewels outright. Coins, those 300 jewels that you'd get from the subscription, are best for like accessories and smaller items or individual clothing items rather than like the hair or a set clothes. You'll still have the option for some of them, it's just a lot of saving. I very much encourage the team to put more customization items such as different hair textures and even different styles. There were no default pants for the girl model, and some of us maybe we want more androgynous or tomboyish style. So just having the full selection of at least one default pants, you know, you have the shorts, you have the skirts, that would be fantastic. Functionally, I am begging for an undo button. I am always tweaking little things. When I do that, I end up regretting it. It is free to try, so I have it in my description. Give it a shot yourself and let me know what type of VTuber you became. Also, let them know what you think is missing. Thank you so much, Mascoz, for reaching out and letting me know more about this program. I hope it helps VTubers out there get started and not feel overwhelmed by the idea of creating your own VTuber.